This software is to simulate a milling machine. In this, you could simulate a milling machine in this button. This is called Verify. You click on and click Verify Program if you have already programmed a program. Then you click Verify, then F5, then it simulates. This is the screen where you could see the simulation. This is the jump control. In these buttons you could activate in the green button for move the spindle in the milling machine, and the X axis and Y axis of the plane. And these buttons is to start the one program, and these buttons, this is for turn on the spindle, this for open the milling machine. This button is to turn on the air. This button, is to open the gripper and close the gripper. And this is to go home the spindle and the plane. This is to this is to go home the spindle, and this button is to go home but the plane, the x-axis and the y-axis. And this is to take a tool and insert to the machine. And if you want to take off, also you click it and put remove tool, and that's all.
Well, now to select the workpiece 0 of our piece, we select one piece, for example that, and we go to Setup, Coordinate Systems, and Setup. Here we have the systems, for example G54, G55, and so on. So we select the G54, and we can establish the dimensions for this piece in this system. If we have other piece for only with other dimensions, we select other of each one. So we select G54 and we have X, Y, and Z. To establish the coordinates from X, Y, and Z, we go to this jog in real life to touch with the tool this side of the piece to select the x-axis. We touch here and we have a coordinate from this point. So we need this center line. So to have this position, we touch this side and we add the radius of the tool. And the same for y-axis, and for z-axis we go to up and to down in the z-axis, and we touch the top of the piece. But here we don't have to add the radius because only we touch that, and is the coordinates of C.